Hello Lefty Wannabes and welcome to the channel Right Left Hand. Today we are continuing the maintenance series where I'm writing the uppercase alphabet, the lowercase alphabet, and a few numbers. And we are in April, so I'll go ahead and get started. So as per usual, I'm gonna go ahead and write the month. It's kind of hard to believe that we've already gotten this far in, I was gonna say such a short amount of time, but it's really been a month, another month. So can't really say a short amount of time because it's been 31 days. Yeah, right? March is 31 days. So something like that. It's close enough. That's all that matters. Close enough. And again, we're just staying constant, with some of these videos, maintenance, trying to be, trying to do what's best, just making sure to get these out. But again, it's only the third month that I've done this. Technically, it is the fourth month of the year, but I didn't do anything in January, so I can't quite say it's the fourth time I'm doing this because that would be inaccurate. So yeah. So I'll just stick to saying, good job for 3 months so far. Only got 9 more. Well, let me think about that. 8 more to go because we're only doing 11 of the 12 months because, like I said, haven't done January, but I'm hoping that, some more kind of series might pop up in the meantime between now and the end of the year. And then maybe what will happen is those series continue on out into 2022. So we'll just see how it goes. Okay, but there you have it. April's maintenance video. So I'll go ahead and stop there. Alrighty, goodbye.